We had more clouds today, and rest of this week we'll be right back to more sunshine. So you can put the hand down for this one. I think it's going to be quite nice, right? What we have going on right now.
See what I started?
Yeah, see that? I think right now we'll see some improvement really over the next few hours, especially going into the overnight. There's been a few light showers coming across parts of the northern Sacramento Valley. Everybody else staying fairly dry, but the cloud cover already seeing the breaks of that across the valley now, and that trend does continue tonight with clearing, and then by tomorrow morning for sunrise, I expect to see plenty of sunshine across the valley, up in the mountains. The exception will be by the Bay Area, where the morning fog will linger for a few hours. Then the sunshine makes a full return as well. Temperatures warming up this week. Right now we've been up into the 80s, and then tonight we'll reset into the 50s, 30s across the Sierra, but by the afternoon hours, look at these temps into the middle and upper 80s. Just a beautiful day tomorrow. Folsom about 86 degrees, 87 to Wilton, and then further north across the Sacramento Valley, temperatures well up into the 80s as well. I think upper 80s down to the south and to Stockton, Modesto about 84 degrees, 85 in Turlock. And then when the sun comes out in the Bay Area, temperatures will be going back into the mid 70s. Nice day in wine country tomorrow at 86 degrees, and then 70s in the Sierra. So as we move beyond that into Thursday, temperatures I think will be up into near 90, and it's all because of this high pressure building in place. This is a very warm direction pattern for us. Plenty of sunshine with this, but as we get into next week, that ridge starts to break down, and we will see a storm track start to shift further down to the south. This will bring us more clouds, some cooler weather, and looking to be unsettled too going into next week. So the 90-degree temp that we may see on Thursday could be the last for quite a while, because as you get later into the month, certainly into November, it's a lot harder to get those type of temperatures. And the pattern beyond the 7-day across much of the western half of the country likely to be a bit more unsettled compared to average. In fact, as we get into this weekend, looking at a brief storm system of bringing more clouds, but by Saturday night into early Sunday, some showers can't be ruled out across the foothills. That clears out, and then by Tuesday into middle of next week, we're going long term here. The storm track starts to shift down to the south. We will be watching the overall pattern to see potentially a storm system coming in across parts of the northwest, including northern California. That may bring temperatures down quite a bit once you get to, say, days 8, 9, and 10, so middle of next week. But in the short term, we got plenty of sunshine, beautiful weather. Get out and enjoy it. Enjoy the 90 degrees on Thursday, and then back into the 70s as we get into next Saturday into Sunday. Of course, comes with some more cloud cover, but overall, very quiet pattern in place in the short term. For the foothills, you'll be up at well into the 80s as well, 70s for the Sierra, and then by next, say, Monday, Tuesday, up there in the high country, look at those temps down to the lower 50s for highs. So next week is when we'll start to see a little bit of a shift in the overall pattern. Tony?